We're out.
Squeeze these guys out so they don't go
Let Oriton through and then we might be able to tap over.
or force Origin to go.
I reckon there's more wind on the
Origin
western
has to go
shore.
west through.
Just trying to not be in their dirty air. So flop them back. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, nice work, Nick. Origin's going to
Yeah,
go
so
over.
once Oriton's through, Mick, we'll be clear to tack.
You've got 43
Just make it a
behind.
quick one and then flop back over to starboard.
Peter, you won't get through 42.